I saw you. What are you doing, big boy? I see you. Goffigan Leatherybury's tractor place. Case tractors. Oh, come on. Let me see you. I saw you move right across. I saw you. Oh, you stinkers. I'm going in the office. The first place you go is where the president is. Oh, I knew something was happening in here. Let me see you. I see you. You guys are hanging out in the office. I knew you would be. Yes, I did. I knew you would be. And I'm going to get this place cleaned up for you. Yes, I am. You guys, what are you doing in here? What are you doing hanging out in the office? I knew you would. Look at this nice, beautiful, real, knotty pine paneling. It is beautiful. Yes, it is. I am going to get this place cranked up. And we're just going to use it for a warehouse, but it is such a nice building. It is such a nice building, and we're going to get it back in shape. Yes, we are. Well, I am so glad to see you guys. I am. Oh, I saw you little. Oh, right there, bro. Oh, God. Oh, you guys like that table. You guys like this table. You guys like this table. You like the desk, don't you? Don't you? You like the desk. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. I see you. You like the desk. Okay, I haven't gotten everything. Oh! Oh, you guys are awesome. Awesome. Yes, you are. Oh my gosh, we're just a couple minutes and I've got to go. I've got to go. Yes. Oh, right there. Oh, right there, right there, right there. Right there. You are awesome. Oh my. I can't wait to put you on Facebook and YouTube unless they shut me down. They just won't. Oh my gosh, you are something else. I saw you. Oh, no, I did not lose you. I did not lose you. You are something special. Wow. Okay, I will be back. I will be back. And just note, I have not stirred up one person with my sweatshirt. I have not. That's right. Thank you very much. I have not. Yes, this is just walking in a room. It is dusty as I don't know what in here. I'm sure you guys love all this dust, but I didn't do anything to stir you up. Thank you. We will see you. Have a great day.